The overall goal of this procedure is to create a customized, robust immunoassay for reproducible results with limited hands-on time. This is accomplished by first preparing appropriate assay components. The second step of the procedure is to optimize the assay based on assay parameters. The third step of the procedure is set the assay up on the VIBE platform by simply loading the plates of sample and reagents and defining the assay procedure with the VIBE software. The final step of the procedure is to start the VIBE with the startup wizard. Ultimately, results can be obtained that show sensitive, reproducible immunoassay results with custom antibodies and limited hands-on time through the use of the VIBE platform.
The main advantage of this technology over existing methods like ELISAs is that the VIBE workstation provides walkaway operations and more reproducible data.
According to the standard protocols using NHS chromogenic biotin, biotinylate the capture antibody. To attach biotinylated antibody to streptoavidin magnetic beads, begin by vortexing the vial of streptoavidin magnetic beads for 1 to 2 minutes to resuspend. Pipette the desired volume of beads into a microfuge tube and remove the supernate with the aid of a magnetic separator. Wash the beads 3 times with PBST using magnetic separation to recover the beads according to the written protocol. After the PBST is removed from the final wash, add the biotinylated antibody solution to the beads and resuspend the beads by pipetting. Be sure the antibody volume is at least 300 microliters. If it is less, adjust with PBS.